Okay, so I already did this like twice already, but I found out my hotbind key for OBS was enter. So every time I press enter, it would stop my recording for some awful reason. I don't know when I set that up, but apparently I did when I was, who knows when. But anyways, let's start this again. Assignment 1.2 NTW 103 packet tracer. Configure a secure shell on a router and connect. So we are going to start with finding our router, our 4321. We're going to go to our PC right there. We're going to connect it just like that. Click on our PC, desktop, IP config. For our IPv4 address, we're going to do 192.168.1.10, I believe. Yep. And then our subnet mask is just going to be this, our default one. And then for this, our default gateway, we're going to do 192.168.1.1. And that's all good. We're good there for now. So we're going to switch over to our router. We're going to do a CLI. We're going to type no, a return, and let's look at what we have to enter. So we're going to do enable, configure, terminal, and then we're going to do our interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0/0. The zeros I didn't really know what they were for. I wanted to know what they were kind of necessary for. I didn't really know what they did, but anyways, let's enter that. Let's do IP address 192.168.1.1, and then we're going to go to our subnet mask one, type that in. Basically, this is setting up our IP to the mask. .0. Okay, that's all good. No shutdown to turn on the port. That's good. Let's hit enter again to return. Let's hit exit to go back to our normal config. And then we're good. And step 3 is provide a name, add an IP domain, and generate a crypto key on the router. So we're going to do host name 4321 router. Okay. Then we're going to do IP domain dash name SSH for secure shell -1, and then we're going to do a crypto key next. Crypto key generate RSA. Now it's going to ask us how many do we want to generate. We're going to do 1024. Okay, that's all good. So number 4 is configure the line to a virtual teletype. So we're going to do line VTY. Sorry, I'm making sure I'm still recording to make sure everything's good. I'm a little scared by it now. So 015. And that's good, showing us it's been enabled. And then we're going to transport input SSH. Login local, so it's only a local login in the name. IP SSH version 2 for what version of the secure shell we want to use. I think I added another space there. I did. Okay, that's all good. Let's set up a username now. So we're going to do username name privilege 15 password Cisco 1234. So that just adds our username and our password. And now we're going to do exit, I believe. Then we got to return, and that should be good. So now we have to go back to our PC, command prompt. Then it's secure shell list name 192.168.1.1, and then it's Cisco 1234, and then we're in our router, and I'm still recording, so this is great. It's a great lesson for the first lesson for NTW 103. I really enjoyed it. Felt like it was a better start than the stuff we were doing in NTW 102 for Cisco. I felt like this was a good first like little baby step into a much bigger picture, and I really enjoyed that. I thought it was just cool setting up an IP address to a router like manually and stuff like that instead of just it all being done automatically now. So yeah, that was really great.